Do you know that moment in the morning when you wake up, look at the daily summary sent to your email, and you realize to your horror that the numbers are completely off? That your daily expected volume is 70% lower than it should be, or that your largest merchant had a zero activity yesterday. At that moment, you know it's going to be a long and dreadful day. So you bring your comfortable shoes, as you'll spend the day chasing down IT for help.
Hi, everyone. My name is Yariv. I'm from Anodot. At Anodot, we have an AI-powered business monitoring platform, which is used by many financial services and payments companies to automatically detect and resolve incidents in real time before they impact their revenue and their customers. Liron, I feel your pain. I know you like uncomfortable shoes. Unfortunately, this is still part of so many people's daily routines. We just saw that you're relying on Excels and dashboards to get your job done. Allow me to introduce you to Anodot, which is the best business monitoring solution out there.
This sounds interesting, Yariv, but I have to be honest, I have enough dashboards and BI tools to keep me occupied for the next 80 years.
I agree, but it's not about having enough dashboards and tools. It's about having one tool which will let you know when you have an issue. You don't need to go and search for it. We will let you know when something requires your attention. Let's look at that alert which you got this morning.
Oh, okay. So I see there's a massive drop in payments in Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia. But it's also important for me to detect the source of the issue, to get to the root cause without involving my development team. As you know, I still need to chase them around, still with the shoes. What do I do?
So at Anodot, we not only detect the issues, but we also help you identify the reason for the incident. We do that by correlating data from all across your business to help you identify the root cause.
Even without the IT guys?
Even without the IT guys. Let's take this specific incident and do a quick triage of this issue. As you can see, our triage screen is based on the concept of data storytelling, where the idea is that we want to make all that AI power accessible to anyone, even if they're not a data scientist or a BI expert. So here we can already see what happened. We had a drop in transaction count. Leading dimension here was Brazil, but you can already see that other countries were affected. And I already get this hint for the root cause, something about API errors. Let's dive into that.
So I see the problem, I think. The API servers are down, and no new transactions are coming in. That's great to understand. Getting to the root cause so quickly is wonderful and saves me so much time. But you know what? Still, now I have to fix it. I have to deal with it. And once again, I'm chasing out IT in the corridors.
You know, Liron, when we built Anodot, we built it for business users, not for developers. It's not an IT monitoring tool. It's a business monitoring tool. So one of the key ideas was that we will enable you to remediate whatever issue you encounter with. You can connect your own internal remediation tool and your own APIs to fix that. Let's look at the possible remediation for this problem. And what you can see here is that you can choose which action do you want to perform to tackle the issue which you've just encountered. Our AI will even recommend you what is the next best action based on past incidents and how successful they were.
Oh, that's very cool. So let's try it. Let's do it. Let's restart the API connections.
Okay. Keeping our fingers crossed. And looks like we're good. So let's just see what just happened here. So Anodot detected an anomaly on transaction count. It decided it was significant enough to your business to let you know about it. Not all anomalies are interesting from a business perspective. Then you and I started to handle this. We acknowledged that we're on it. And then we initiated the remediation. In this case, restart all our API connections. It went successfully, and now the alert is closed. And as a bonus feature, I also enable you to create that retrospective report so you can identify all the issues or all the elements of this specific incident for later investigation, why this happened.
Wow, thank you, Yariv. That's a relief. That means they can rely on Anodot for monitoring, detection, correlation, and remediation. And they're all powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, all with a click of a button. So using Anodot will save me time, pain, and money, and I can wear whatever shoes I want to work.
Yes, Liron, thank you, everyone. And if Liron's experience sounds familiar to you, not necessarily the part about the shoes, you can either add some meditation to your morning routine, or you can come visit us at the booth at the exhibition hall. Notice that we're at the very far corner behind the sign which says Beware Tiger.
Yes.
We will be able to show you a full demo and help you find out how Anodot can help you, your customers, and your bottom line. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.